let every nation know, whether it wishes us well or ill, that we shall pay any price, bear any burden, meet any hardship, support any friend, oppose any foe to assure the survival and the success of liberty.
Listen,
take it there, let's go.
Defend the chopper and the car at all costs. Yes, you is the greatest smuggling route.
You could have a steam train if you don't stay down your track.
A new endeavor, not a new balance of power, but a new world of law, where the strong are just and the weak. I do not believe that any of us would exchange places with any other people or any other generation. The energy, the faith, the devotion which we bring to this endeavor will light our country and all who serve it. And the glow from that fire can truly light the world. And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
Escort. Helo's down. Escort car.